Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. We welcome you once again to another press conference by the NPP on the recently ended 2020 general election. We continue to thank you for your years of support for the activities of the New Patriotic Party and for being the conduit through which we carry on with our public education. God bless you and bless our nation. First, we as a party condemn the shooting incident at Techiman South on the day of the declaration of the results, which led to the death of 2 people and left others injured. We ask the security agencies to undertake the needed investigations into the incident. Today, we have called you in respect of Techiman South parliamentary elections. I must state also here that we do not speak for the Electoral Commission. We speak for ourselves, and we speak to set the record straight as against a multitude of lies peddled by the NDC yesterday. It is important to state upfront that the NPP parliamentary candidate for Techiman South, Mr. Martin Agyeman, won that election and so declared by the EC. For the avoidance of doubt, we present to you the results of Techiman parliamentary elections as per all print sheets available to us. Martin Agyeman Sakosa, NPP, 49,682, and I repeat, Martin Agyeman Sakosa, NPP, 49,682. 2. Christopher Bayre Basongbit, NDC, 49,205, and I repeat, 2. Christopher Bayre Basongbit, NDC, 49,205. Per all the pin sheets available to us, which are here displayed, our candidate, Martin Agyeman Sakosa, was duly elected as MP for Techiman South for the next parliament, January 2021 to January 2025. Having said that, ladies and gentlemen of the press, it is important for us to expose the lies, deceit, propaganda, and political shenanigans and dishonesty of the NDC since the process towards the 2020 elections began. The NDC has always sensed that it will lose the 2020 elections, and so from the beginning of the year, they had constantly been impugning the integrity of the EC as per their presidential candidate's logic, that if you sense that you are losing the elections on the march, attack the referee, attack the integrity of the referee. Mahama, this is Mahama at the NDC 2016 last round. Ghanaians will recall that way back in September, and specifically on September 24, 2020, Mr. Mahama made clear his intention not to accept the 2020 election results. Which results did he say he won't accept? The one in which he was going to be declared winner, or the one in which he was going to be declared loser? As they say in Ghana, I can't think far. But for the moment, let us come back to Techiman South elections. I have already stated Techiman South parliamentary elections were collated and Martin Agyeman duly declared winner. The NDC initially said that there was no collation in Techiman South. Now they are asking for re-collation. If there was no collation in the first place, how can there be re-collation? But it is important to point out to the NDC that after results have been collated and declared, the only remedy available to them if they disagree with the collated and declared results is to go to court of competent jurisdiction. But as is obvious to Ghanaian people, the NDC is not ready to be put in strict proof. All they want to do is court public disaffection for the EC, and by that reduce the legitimacy of MPP's victory in the eyes of well-meaning Ghanaians. But in their attempt to do so, they have constantly exposed their own lies and reduced their own esteem in the eyes of Ghanaian people. This far, NDC has put out several results as representing what they call true results of the Techiman South parliamentary elections. But there cannot be multiple truths. So which of the several results that NDC has put out represents the true results of the Techiman parliamentary elections? Yesterday, the minority in parliament promised to display all 265 wishes from Techiman South. In the end, they subjected viewers to fabricated images of an Excel spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheet, not collated of the EC. I think media men and the public know the difference. Such gross deceit and incompetence. And according to them, the MPP candidate obtained 50,030 votes, while their candidate obtained 50,306 votes. So according to the NDC majority's juju figure, NDC won Techiman South with a difference of 293 votes. On the 10th of December 2020, Johnson Estabin Ketia claimed that NDC candidate polled 50,569, while the NCP candidate polled 49,874 votes, making it a vote difference of 695. On the 11th of December 2020, John Dramani Mahama, presidential candidate of the NDC, claimed that the NDC parliamentary candidate gained 50,414 votes, while the MPP parliamentary candidate obtained 49,825. In which case, according to candidate Mahama, the NDC candidate won with a difference of 592 votes. Then on 21st December 2020, the NDC candidate himself, Christopher Beire, in an interview with Joy FM, claimed that he won the elections with a margin of 700. Around 4 p.m. on the same day, on Joy News, he claimed he had won by 2,000 votes. Later the same day, on Newsnight, on Joy News, the very same Christopher Beire claimed that he won the election with a vote margin of 825. So, ladies and gentlemen of the media, if we are to believe the NDC story that they won the Techiman South parliamentary election, they won it with vote difference of 293, at a point 695, at a point 592, at a point 700, and then 825. Mind you, we are talking about an election in one constituency. In this singular constituency, the NDC won by 5 different margins. Ridiculous. They are so inept, lazy, and propaganda driven to such an extent they can't get basic computing right. Basically, they can't even tell a consistent lie. How could they be incompetent even at forgery? Ladies and gentlemen of the press, let me state again, for purposes of emphasis, that MPP won the presidential election of 2020 and tied with the NDC on parliamentary elections, at least for now. And I say for now because we have signaled our intention to go to court to challenge the validity of a number of seats which the EC has declared for the NDC. We are also going to challenge some of their parliamentary results. And you will hear from us very soon. For us, in the court of law, not in the streets. Have you all noticed that suddenly the NDC has stopped talking about presidential election? To date, they have provided no figure to back all the street protests that they have urged other people's children to embark on while they keep their children either in the comfort of their homes or in cozy villas abroad. This is why NDC has always been opposed to a universal access to education by all Ghanaians. They want to keep an uninformed population, so propaganda, lies, and deceit can have a legitimate hold on the politics of our country. This is pathetic. Ladies and gentlemen, we are almost in the Christmas season, and so we shall not keep you for long. We wish to reiterate the point that the 2020 elections has been one of the cleanest and the most transparent in Ghana's election history. CODEO, EU, ECOWAS, and other international observers have all affirmed the same. No effort to denigrate the results of election 2020 gained traction. The call of Mahama to tell his supporters the truth that he lost the election. It's okay if he wants to go to court, the support of his party for another try in 2024. But it is not okay to endanger the lives of other people's children, and by that endanger the security of our country. This far, the security agencies have been professional in their handling of the provocations that Mahama has encouraged his supporters to foment. We cannot, however, be sure what will happen if he continues to display such carelessness and irresponsibility in not wanting to go to the appropriate forum to seek for redress, but continue to fight for his battles on the streets. Already, respected bodies like the National House of Chiefs, the Peace Council, the Coalition of Civil Society Organizations have called on Mahama to follow the law in addressing his grievances. He should do the needful. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021 New Year. May God bless our whole land, Ghana, and make her a great and strong nation. I thank you.
Can you walk us through?
Many things happen on the declaration and the process of declaring the election results in Techiman South. And we want to walk you through what the video captured for you to see what happened. To begin with, the collation center is supposed to engage only the two agents and the security force. So if you look at the belief, the chaotic situation that is happening there by NDC supporters and members who mass up. And I think one of their strategies was to mass up at various collation centers on the D-Day when they know they were losing. Because they did that at Escado, did that at Securios and other places. Why? Allow the EC to connect in a serene atmosphere. Because you need a peace of mind and peace to pick figures, to transpose figures from the pink sheet onto the collation sheet. But if there is that chaotic situation that we're going to find ourselves in, it will be difficult for anybody to do the kind of collation we would have expected. So I think the EC has done well. But many people who were there, particularly in the NDC, have breached the law by attacking the EC officials because it is against the law under the PNDC political parties act. All right, let's go.
So we have Seth here. He is a member of the IT team, and we have our pin sheet here. We have a collection of our pin sheets here for all the 32 electoral areas. And then on there you see the videos of the coalition. So you have the NDC candidate. We have the NDC candidate. He is the man in the Lacoste t-shirt. How you see here? This man is a leading member of the NDC. He's the assemblyman for Sansama election.
So this is the EC coalition center.
Yes, so this is the Ponchafem Hall, Chichiman Municipal Assembly, where the coalition was done. So you see the NDC candidates in the Lacoste t-shirts there. Leading members of the NDC. We have the assemblyman for Sansama. The man in mask, we call him Buguma. He was a parliamentary.
Call him
Buguma Mohammed. He was a parliamentary aspirant. He contested the NDC primaries. The man sitting there with the tag is the NDC constituency chairman called Chairman Fowl. And then the man in mosque, his back is facing us, so we can't.
So was this an NDC coalition center or EC coalition center? Because I can read you what the CI 125 says about who and who should attend the coalition.
So this is at the time that the coalition was going on. A lot of the leading members of the NDC were around, but not all of them are captured in the program. In fact, at the coalition center, the regional chairman was there, Chairman Nazi was there. There are other videos that we can show to identify a lot of the individuals. Yes, this is still at the coalition center. If you can take it. So this is also at the time after the coalition had been completed and the director, the returning officer was about declaring the results. So some of the people that we can identify in the picture, the man here is the first vice chairman MPP, North East region. The man in the mosque here is also a second vice chairman, the constituency second vice chairman. And then you can see Honorable Adrian Sankosa also here. This is the one we saw, and then if you can look at it. So this is the returning officer. So the man who started the scaffold, who pushed the table, is the NDC parliamentary candidate himself. Trying to scatter the documents and everything that the EC. Yes. That's the EC. So this is our Nasara coordinator, the man in t-shirts, MPP Nasara coordinator. And then can you pause? This man is the former member of parliament in the NDC. He's also called Ajay Mensah. Yes. So these are a lot of NDC men. What the video is yes, the man declared Ajay Mensah. The man who took the megaphone is the constituency organizer. The whole thing was to stop the EC from going ahead to declare the results and to scatter the whole program. But thankfully, the EC returning officer was able to declare the results. Those of us who have won the results. So this is the constituency who's organizing the humanity. We have the DC, MC, and then observers. In fact, the first video that we saw observers were all sitting there. So at the collation center, observers were allowed in everything that was going on there. They also a lot of the NDC constituency executives, both regional and constituency, were all there. Okay, so. These are screenshots of the. This is a screenshot of the collation. Okay, so this is the collation that was done at the NDC. So after we have collated, yes, this is NPP collation figures. After the collation, this is what we also obtained. You can see the polling station codes, that's the column shaded in blue. The polling station names, then the votes that the total registered voters for each polling station, the votes that NPP got, the votes that NDC got, they rejected, and then the total valid votes, which led to the total that the Electoral Commission declared that Honorable Ajay Sakosa is the winner for the parliamentary elections in Techiman South, and so declared. So if you can show the video, before the collation, the night before, there was also a scaffold where the NDC guys destroyed a number of pin sheets and ballot boxes for reasons best known as the vote cast. This is a police station that I won. And the house images damaged everything. Look at the ballot. So this is the night, that's on the 7th, at the beginning of collation. That was what happened at the collation. And this is in front of the Grand Champion Hall. The hall has a large land in front of it where the ballot boxes are ready before they are taken into the collation center. So this incident happened at the collation center. For your information, this matter was reported to the police by the Electoral Commission, and so it has records. And anybody can authenticate this. I believe that the police is still investigating. The returning officer, the presiding officer who was attacked is called James Ejay, and the security had to whisk him away to safety and subsequently lodged a complaint. So it's important that you take note of it. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we showed, all the 267, in fact, traditionally you have 265 police stations. And the two additional police stations are the special registration, the special votes polling centers. That adds up to the 267. So these are the pin sheets that we use in the collation process at the collation center. So if probably you can zoom.
Boss, please speak up.
So we have Methodist DHS1 Techiman. Police station code is A010101B. Where Honorable Ajay Sakosa had 386, and then Christopher Fire Basunti NDC had 113. This is Methodist DHS Techiman 1 A0
So, call the figures there, yes.
The figures is Honorable James Akos NPP 386.
386.
386.
NDC.
And then NDC is 113. Rejected is 2. In fact, even this one, the presiding officer made a mistake. He wrote 501.
Mention his name.
The presiding officer is Aganda Derek. The polling agent for MPP is Amuri James, and for NDC is Sule Isifi. So these are the sheets. In order to make, for simplicity's sake, we arrange our pin sheets according to electoral areas. So what I have is for one electoral area called Tuzuasi electoral area. So the next one is Methodist GHS. The police station code is K01 101 02A. K0 10 102A.
What is the Diana? Is it the Diana JHS?
It's immediately after the first police station. K0 10 102A.
So what is it? 10.
Methodist JHS teaching on 2. So go on. Go on.
How are you? Call it again. Call the code.
The code is K0 10 102A.
Yes. Met JHS Techiman.
Methodist JHS.
So call the figure.
The figures MPP is 266, NDC 98, rejected is 0, and the total vote cast is 364.
On the pen sheet.
The presiding officer is Supoku Kofi Isaac. For the agents, MPP agent is Aferi Yehua Eric, and the NDC is Keneboa.
Okay, no, don't close it. Let the camera pick it up. Okay. And I think it can be picked.
Yes, they all signed.
Okay. Boss, keep it stable there. Thank you.
So this is that's what the other.
So Chairman, whilst at the collation center, the focus of the new patriotic party was to ensure that the returning officer who has the responsibility under the law to declare the results was done. The NDC brought in the attack headed by their parliamentary candidates and caused the mayhem. We have shown to you our pin sheets from all the 267 polling stations, and we've confirmed from the figures on the pin sheet
only the head
as against what was recorded at the collation center before the attack. We expect the media to look at what the campaign manager and our MP-elect has presented to you as against the spreadsheet of the NDC and their minority.
And there are different numbers that they are.
And there are different numbers put out by Mr. John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Sidun Ketia, the candidate himself, and Mr. Haruna Idris. Thank you very much. Okay, Chairman, I thought there's another video they want to show.
Let them finish there.
That's when they were calling their supporters to come and force.
That's what they did in Escado Kitan and Security.
Okay, so we have crowds gathering in front of the race.
This This was after they made announcements on Akina Radio that their members should move to the collation center. And that they did. We had Sami Demfi, we had Otokuno, Esedu Kesia, and Mr. Fianka, that they should march up to all collation centers. And the same thing they are doing on daily basis, marching across, burning ties, and causing mayhem. Yes. Okay. So, yes. Please, you know.
Charlie?
You need to know.
And you know, there, I'm not full more is a job for Mama Kwaba about New Patriotic Party campaign office. It was said, maybe I have from one back. I'm going to say, I said, not every young point, and my gun on my side. We are self and a year so. They say, yes, the man. They said, I will see a church and say, Muche, we are self and I Ghana for 9 years. I mean, Shama, Nagana. Was also get a massive said madam. Eddie Kai, yeah, new patriotic party, and semi course war teaching my south. Ada electoral commission, Eddie Kai about or William. You condemn shooting the 2 to course for a while. The man Nipa be Nipa be brave so Eddie them condemn pass again. It yes, security agents. Says, Omo de yen pese ewo sansem a disi ho em so hwe video ya ebi ya we hu se ni pe di ye macho men set said de omo pine ade no so emra if you me see I meant 127 ye di ye no na disi and then your friend must say it was say no mo edi komo in fact teaching man parliamentary elections. If I see a DKK, it's your candidates, NPP parliamentary candidate for the team and South. Your friend Owura Martin, a MS Akosa. Or no, they did on him. Ewo Abana, a 7th December. Electoral commission, so it declared, I should be the also. Now, Yanni Mochi, the results are a friend of pin sheets. Polling stations a war team and 4K. They better ama wash. Now you can't say polling stations no name special voting in Nua. They war team and South Kuma. Era Martin again Mensa Cosa. Ujina Homa NPP. Unya 49,682. Pin. If you are 9 con, I had seen and be watching. NDC candidate, a friend of Christopher Bayer, was on votes. Unya 49,205. King, if you are 9 con, I had no meeting. Any. Now, who share pinches? Now, the 12 baby are the chair. The body Unina, Era, and the Mensa, and now the team are mentioning for a year. Say, Uncle Jina or one name for Parliament for a member. Osunia in this moon, a copy, a fee 2025 January. Now, Macas area, they say, Medi Deity, Ewo, and Tro, Akoshi, any latter. NDC for Apple, 2020 elections. Now, who say about the 2020 elections. The Shasiana, a few Shasiana, almost say, Woman easy, Basa, say, Nebima Oyeno, and Sony from registration. I have a pin. So, you should man, Ghana for. Brazil ho echo register empo eku a efe no CDD eye pese mu se Ghana for obisa coach electoral commission mu gi ne tu ana mu gi ne tu enipa oha mu chiche mu adusia so 67% na ka se omo wo gigi e wo electoral commission o de no to 2016 at the same CDD no bisa asa coach ana enipa 65% na ka se omo gi ECD at that time you mo a isi we adwuma why aso Ghana for enipa so we percent mo a CDD for year October omo da na ichire eti nsema omo ka se ombegu is then mo ase Yera John Mahama or presidential candidate etana no say so hwe na wo lose election na say ye hope football na wo lose omo dey say wo ani be kwa kosi reference so na wa bona da pa wo twa da pa o ka sa say ni 2016 NDC last round say sabano wo ko to na hu say koya woni si electoral commission so dey twa da pa e man go for hu say the pima enso neso entisa titi Ghana for hu say the free September so me go specifically that also and do 9 and Mahama can say ono dey abai beto no for 2020 onchi abano results no end that results be no say on yeah ye be ka say ono wadi kuni ma na say ye be ka say wadi twa na say ya isa kana ka we dey be dream mu a eyi dey mom say no Teachman South ya adumu ye kan na wase Teachman South elections no ye keka polling stations ni nyina bu polling stations ye keka ni nyina bu Yera Martin Ademensa and IEC declare no say wa winning initially no NDC force collation kwa ya nibi there was no collation in Teachman South after the home so omo pe say is a quality deal recollection and recollection better they are recollection collation video any say a recollection after the home so omo pe recollection na if they say did two just say after the results have been collated ye collation no they declare ye nua Martin Ademensa say we give say NDC for was some kind of one was some kind of one. Maybe also require court of competent jurisdiction. Now, Ghana for pleading say NDC for there. Some people go to court. They have two or more no crap for the was it and they almost there. We more about Dikoshi, a Koshi, the latter, actually Ghana for, and no open. Say it is it is NDC volunteer say MPP Yera Martin Ademensa or winning the Teachman South about Ghana for Edinsa. Na NDC for person who futuro Ghana for na futuro no person wo etugu ye no ka bia na trono no twa say the Ghana for ye first, the results, election results, they pray, wake away, now we are away. But the election back home, I was teaching myself. I was saying, Moa back home, and ever. Today, Tina, ye ever shall say, Yera Mahama, I say, NDC are winning, or go to votes, no. Now, also, one winning by 293. 10th December 2020, Johnson said, "Look at the NDC candidate now winning in 50,569. Now MPP candidates near 49,874. And just were winning by 695. Yera Mahama, so 11 December after I said, look at the Frank Atuni, NDC parliamentary candidate no Techima South no one winning by 50,417. Obra MPP candidate near 49,825. Thank you, say. NDC candidate in APT, your candidate, by 592. It becomes some accounts say, as you get your gas over winning by 695. The Omrech year 21st December. NDC candidate in Ankasa Christopher Beireno, also Joy FM Joseph Oboku Kako interview. Also, a winning election award. The Chimasa by 700 votes, margin of 700. Saturday, Joy Force Africa. I feel also I'm winning by over 2,000 votes. I'm winning by 2,000. The numerous news nights. Joy Force Africa. Christopher Beire say they were winning by 825. The ladies and gentlemen, you are not above media for more shower. He did say NDC for some say woman editing kunimo. Taking myself parliamentary candidate. You do baby almost the Emma 293 in a way. You do baby almost the Emma 695 in the one. Do baby almost the mark 592. Do baby almost the mark 700. Do baby 825 for one election. I hear one. Now one election one goes to it different results. It is for me teaching. A ridiculous. A 117. A 117. It's one day. Woman to me and Trassi and J results in free police station and can come in your one results. And no a quadra laziness. And that's a propaganda no and throw the no I almost. And she said, who to me, dear? Now we are forged one before the room to be money and money and calling the praise. Say the young said. We say. Until say it can be said. Presidential election, MPP winning. One touch. Yejitum say parliamentary, Yeni NDC, say results I walk. Electoral commission again. Yeah, boss. Now make Kasa say a boss bat. Yehu constituencies bia womo esi womo awene a ye de be kokko e go justice ye de be kokko ibi ne Usiga ibi ne Cape Coast North ibi ne Boko Central ibi ne Sabelugu ibi ne Sojamai ibi ne Kwanta North na ye lawyers ye ho adwuma de be ya enche bia Assin North, Cape Coast North, Boko Central, Kusiga, Sabelugu, Sojamai, Kwanta North, Banaka. The lawyers, you adwuma enche, ye court ye dey on the streets so, and now I'm rather makwai. Say open say will be a phone. About to one summer, yeah, on Bishop. Now, presidential days, they say, woman come once in because 500,000 votes, EDT, almost 5 figures, dear, make sure say, almost leading. And now, control any approach. No one cool easy. Now say me a little bit by say I teach in Mensa, I declare Mahamas on now winning presidential elections. I don't need that difficult. I'm at least for you, man. See, every now, so near a coffee can social media. I'm barefoot, social media, they all day. They are a kaya. My, you're more brief, shady. Say, I'm going to for my grandma, things are on the demonstration. Almost back, they will feel I betray them. I this will my villa. ɛwɔ abrochi na da biara na wɔn deɛ ɛka wɔn kɔn na nkaga na yɛte ya sɛ nipa adwene mu bebue na akɔhwehwɛ mu wɔn di no obi ɛkeka a ebi mu sɛ asɛm yi yɛ ɛntɔ so te ɛka wɔn na ka education a ɛyɛ free education ka ama so paa na ka Ghana 44 na asɛm no yɛ nti aseɛ na yɛ swallow saa nti ladies and gentlemen of the media enuanom ne abɔfo no sɛ yɛwɔ Christmas nti yɛmfa yɛma mo nkyɛ ba yɛpɛsɛ yɛsi so dua sɛ 2020 elections ɛyɛ election a ɛkɔɔ so kama a ɛni da hɔ election deɛ ɛbɛyɛ yi a ɛne sɛ ɛbɛyɛ transparent a obi ɛni bɛda hɔ ma obiara ɛhu na from the word go from voters registration EC for ama election yɛn ni da hɔ saa abɛtwi nti wɔn a bɛhwɛ wɔn adwuma ne sɛ wɔn bɛhwɛ elections sɛ ɛkɔ so yɛ ana ɛkɔ so yɛ te sɛ kɔɔdi European Union ECOWAS any other international observers wɔn agye atum sɛ aba na Ghana to yɛ fi ne akyi biara ɛni da hɔ fitaa transparent nti yɛ kama Mahama ne ne supporters ate sɛ nokwe ni on lose election. John Dramani Mahama has lost the election, and I repeat, say on Tiasia, so lose the election now. What to be called? Yes, we have ever had a face no court. I'll try the lock view 2024. Say the party for betting out to me. Now, my own fan for life. India God was treated society. Now, city agencies so the boy my boss say, "Oh my professional, oh my man of person." Now, a Ahoba, Mahama didn't go for show me. Or more to make a PT. I get a man. Yeah, name no, it's not a continent. Because Ahoba in the shows are one way I know a woman. Na bibi e so na kwa ti esewo omunchai carelessness any irresponsibility na omo edi street now omo ko when is Senate 16 votes there so imagine and no electoral commission a declare results Senate votes no one could declare until Ghana hakwa yi see international observers na a National House of Chiefs, a Peace Council, the Coalition for Civil Society Organization. Omunya Kachire Mahama say, "Chaya Monte ade na we na wase bia court na kokawase mo ho." Na sana abato mu achije ba e court ni e consent ni street. Ndamase mamunya fi shapa. 2021 yedi ndamase pa ya Isham Oshagana Osha Ema Yemai Ntuko